In Virginia, all the beautiful houses in McLean, Virginia, suburbs of Washington, D.C. I know the streets when they were building going back in the early 90s. Now it's all the beautiful landscaping, cost a lot of money. I think this guy spent $175,000 in the old money, 1996. So it's a beautiful, you see, slate roof. I painted this house with my Polish American painting company. So if you need again, call me 571-397-9481. We use only Benjamin Moore, and we pressure wash before, and we do use Zinsser special primer. This is another beautiful house, stone house, Turkey Run, McLean, Virginia. So this is it, and I'm moving more forward from computer business, which was destroyed by Amazon Cloud web hosting, to going back to painting renovations using the knowledge which I have. This is my number. You can call me 703-528-0114 or 571-397-9481 if you need some special painting. Also, I can arrange the recess lights and granite countertops and everything else. We did house for Honey Masi, Cafe Milano, the prime rib steakhouse, and also Forest Mars. Thank you.